That's your first find, babe. Oh, is that a weed grinder?
Oh my god.
Man, people aren't gonna be happy with this, but oh well. 8:30 in the morning. Let's piss the world off, shall we? Hey, doggy. Morning.
Cool, isn't it?
Yeah, it's gonna be a lot cooler in a minute. Oh, shadow shot! Shadow shot! Whoop whoop! Here for about 5 days. Can't. I'll go out there and empty the tanks. Got a lot of sun out here today. Might take the drone out there later. That bad boy up. I'm gonna go down and sit on that log right down there. Send the drone right over the water. Come at me. Should be a really good shot.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Alright, here we go.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
You can throw it out there too, watch. And then drag it back. Oh, that was bad. That was a bad one. Let's throw it out there. There you go. It's not gonna go. You'll be fine. Throw it out there. Get something?
I got a paper clip.
No way! You got a paper clip. That's your first find, babe. Good. Found metal.
I found metal.
That's treasure right there. Put it right here. Nice. I found a bungee cord over here one time. Whoa! Oh, I just said I found a bungee cord over here one time and I pulled a bungee cord out. That's hilarious. Isn't that funny?
That's so
I
funny.
just... Oh, nice.
I only got something.
Got something. Oh. Oh! Look at that!
Oh, that's
Dude,
so
it's an old wrench that's like... See? Piece of metal. A bolt.
something.
I'm a washer and I could use that.
Oh, and a thingy jigger.
Ooh, look at that. You could use that for the bus.
Careful with that hook, babe.
What'd you catch?
Like that.
Oh, what's that? No way. What is that? I have no idea what
Looks
that
like a
is.
windshield
It
wiper.
kind of does look like a windshield wiper. Whoa, what is that? Oh, is that a weed grinder?
Oh my god.
It's a weed grinder. Is that a weed grinder, dude? What is this? No, it's not. It's some kind of bearing. It almost looks like a weed grinder.
Yeah.
Well, that's cool. Look at that.
That's cool. Whoops.
That was the biggest find, though.
Oh.
Alright guys, it's about 8:30 in the morning and I'm about to piss everyone off. See how much fuel I have left. Yeah, I'm getting down. Got about a quarter tank left of diesel. I'm about to piss the whole fucking world off right now. Man, look at that view, guys. Hey doggy. Morning. Yeah, it's gonna be a lot cooler in a minute. Let's piss everyone off. It ain't that bad. I try to go down here. I don't annoy people. I'll be a nice guy. So, yeah, here we are, people. I think this is episode 29. Crazy, 29 now. But, this is a cool little park, man. It's really chill. Got good people here. Nothing to worry about. The guy walks by and says, "It's a little cool out today." It's like, yeah, it's about to be a lot cooler. You know what? I think the gate's shut over there, but I think I'll go in this parking lot right over here and show you guys the view. This is John Wayne Marina. This is the place I go when I magnet fish. It's pretty chill. When I actually moved to Sequim Washington in 1986, this was the first place we stayed. We stayed in a boat right on the marina here. It was my grandpa's boat. It was me, my dad, my mom, and my brother. I woke up every day fishing off the dock. Man, I was like 6, 7 years old. This is the view I have from the bus. Got some duck action over here. Let's get them. Let's get these ducks. Oh yeah, look at that. Duckies. And there we are, right up there. Look at that view. It's pretty cool. face now.
Bye.
Bitch. Oh my god. Are you serious? Did it really snow last night? Alright guys, I'm gonna wrap it up. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Like always, keep the rubber side down and the shiny side up, and get camping. Peace.